Before my next question, just to close the Brave thing, our friend Simon Willison wrote a post that Anthropic added Brave Search as one of the sub-processor in their product.
Yes.
So that's where the thing came from. Now, to what extent it gets used, we don't know.
We don't know. I would just kind of comment on a couple of things that he said, and then we'll go into your question. Yeah. There's a very good post on the retrospective of QStar. There's a very good post that you had, which was that I want to send people to was O1 a PSYOP, right? That does imply the question of like, if O1 was a PSYOP, what else could be PSYOPs now?
Yeah, there's definitely PSYOPs out there. I mean, the whole inference time scaling plot is such a PSYOP.
Why?
Where you like put these two things next to each other with an x-axis, and it just looks like it's easy to control. Whenever you see an x-axis, you think it's easy to control it. Whereas like for training the left one was training.
Yes.
And training makes a lot of sense. So if you haven't, especially even if you go to really old RL papers, RL learning curves are a non-log x-axis usually, and they look like this. They look like these like whatever, like logarithm or exponential rise. And then if you take one of these and you make it a log x-axis, it's a straight line. So like that side is like, oh, okay, we've seen this before with RL. But with inference time scaling, it being an x-axis is why people are like, oh, there's a knob. I can turn search up a lot.
Yeah.
Which is like what breeds all these weird ideas. The core of that article is just they're taking points from within training, or there's a natural variance, and then you line them up. And if you line them up, then you get this nice inference time scaling behavior.